Hi, my name is Pam Sherman. We're gonna do a 5-minute kitchen workout. You need a counter, you need a chair. That's it, let's get going. The first thing we're gonna do is a push-up. Hands wide on the counter, take a step back. Now, if you have never done push-ups before, I want your feet very wide. We're gonna come halfway down and halfway up. Your head is never gonna leave this position. It's never gonna be down here. You're gonna look ahead of your hands. Now, if this is very easy, let's go a little bit lower. This is really the first set, a test run to see what you can do. And if you're here, amazing. It's all about progress, not about perfection. Now, if that's, again, very easy, you can bring your feet closer and go a little bit further down. Range of motion really depends on you and what level you are at right now. We'll do 2 more. Here's 2, last one for now. Now come back, and I want you to sit on the very edge of the chair. Your butt is on the very edge. Look at your legs, they should be at 90 degrees. We're gonna stand up. You're gonna tap your butt on the chair. That's it. That is a perfect squat. We're not resting, we're tapping. We're not doing a bunch, we're gonna do 8 of these. Okay, 4 more just like that. Then we'll go back to the push-ups. And if your legs are on fire, that's okay. A little bit of discomfort is okay. You have 2 more like that. Here's 2. Of course, you can finish 1 more. Okay, now this time for the push-ups, I want you to go like this. Shoulder width apart. And we're coming on to the counter. Your hands or your feet can be wide or narrow. Same thing, let's start with a small range of motion. You're tucking your elbows in, okay? They wanna go out, let's keep them in. This works on our triceps, which we don't really work in everyday life. If that is very easy, you can come down a little bit lower. See how that feels? And you're like, oh no. Stay right here. Remember, you're not here. That head stays up. We have 2 more. Here's 2, 1 more. Come on up, great work. We're doing another set of squats. Sitting on the very edge. Look at your legs, they should be at 90 degrees. The weight is in your heels. Let's come on up and tap back down. And if you've never done squats before, these are one of the best exercises you can do for your long-term health and wellness. 4 more, that's it. Here's 4. Last 2, you can do it. Come on, 1 more right here. Okay, we're gonna do 1 more set of push-ups. Now you know what you're doing. Hands can be wide or narrow. Same thing with your feet, wide or narrow. We're gonna slow it down. We're gonna go down for 2, up for 2. Ready? Take a deep breath in and out. Here we go. Down, down, up, up, down. Now, range of motion of 2. You can go down for 2. Halfway down is fine. If you're moving your body, that is amazing. I feel like every minute we spend on ourselves and our health is worth it. It's like pennies in our long-term health piggy bank, and they all add up. Let's go 2 more like that. Here's 2, last 1. Come on up. 1 more set of squats. On the very edge, we're only gonna do 4, but up for 2, down for 2, ready? Here we go, up, up, down, up, up. 2 more like that. Keep that chest up. Facing me, 1 more. Okay, we have to end with a little bit of balance. I'm gonna move the chair right here. I want you to put your right foot behind you and your right arm straight out. We're gonna lean over and touch the chair. You might fall over, you might tap down, that's okay. If it's very hard, go halfway down and halfway up. And think of your body like a teeter-totter in a nice straight line. 1 more. And come on up, shake it out, switch sides. So that right hand is behind you, left foot is back, left arm is up. And just so you know, one side is always easier than the other. This is my harder side, for sure. I'm much more wiggly. That is totally normal. 1 more. Okay, 2 more on each side, and that is it for today. Right arm out, right leg out. Here we go. Come down and touch. 1 more. Okay, left arm out, left leg out. Here we go. Super slow. Your body wants to go fast. Keep it slow. and come on up. That is it. That is your 5-minute workout for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Have an amazing rest of your day.